Hello guys, I welcome you all the CBSE 10th class student in my channel, and today we are going to discuss the chapter A Thief's Story class 10 CBSE. Students, I will explain this chapter scene by scene and without the help of book. So here we start our chapter. First of all, I would like to tell you one thing, that the chapter is based on the thing that if a person is given an opportunity, he is able to rectify his mistakes and he becomes a good man. Here, the name of the story is A Thief's Story. We will find in this chapter who is the thief and what is this story. Mainly we have two characters in this story. First is Hari Singh, and the second character name Anil. And Anil is 25 years old, and Anil is a struggling writer. Anil is also the most trusting person in the world. Most trusting person in the world. That means he believes each and every person blindly. Kind-hearted. We can say Anil is a kind-hearted person, and as Anil is a struggling writer, that means he is an educated person. On the other hand, Hari Singh is just 15 years old and he is thief. We can say he has successful hand in his theft. He is never caught, and he has two weapons. He has two weapons to trap people. That means he used to trap people with the help of two weapons. First is attractive smile. He has attractive smile on his face always. The second thing is flattery. That means buttering. And third, you can say you can include in this, like, he used to tell lie. So this is the characterization of the two character. You must have understood. Now let us start this story. Facility. I have divided this chapter into two parts, and the first part you are watching now, and I have already divided the first part in numerous scenes. So the first scene is wrestling match. Why do I put this wrestling match on the first scene? I explain you. One day, Anil was watching a wrestling match on the road. Hari Singh was also there. He wanted to trap Anil as his next target. He was a thief, as I have already told you. He wanted to trap Anil. Hari Singh went to Anil and started talking with Anil. Hari Singh told to Anil that you look like a wrestler. But Anil could not believe that he looked like a wrestler just because he was very thin and he was a tall guy. So in revenge, Anil says to Hari Singh that you also look like a wrestler. But Hari Singh felt ashamed on that note, just because he was rather thin when it comes to Anil's physical structure. So that is how the scene first wrestling match created. But we can say the plan of Hari Singh fails. But Hari Singh was not one of those persons who can accept his defeat so easily. So Hari Singh started telling lies Anil by saying that my name is Hari Singh. But students, I want to tell you that Hari Singh was not his real name. It was a false name taken by Hari Singh, and there are reasons for that. Why did he take Hari Singh as his false name? he used to take new name every month just because he wanted to save himself from the former employers and from the police. So that is why he used to change his name even or you can say every month. So it was the first lie. And the second lie, Hari Singh told to Anil that I can cook food. Just because Hari Singh did not know how to cook food, but he wanted to rob Anil's money, he wanted to enter into the house of Anil. That is why he said that I can cook food. So that is how Hari Singh got a job from Anil. So I think these three scenes have been clear to you. So let's move on to the next scene for horrible food. But before going on to the next scene, I want to tell you one thing, that Anil's house was situated at Jamuna Sweet Shop. So they both went to the over Jamuna Sweet Shop. He has the room over there. So let's talk about the horrible food scene. As I have already told you that Hari Singh did not know how to cook food, but on that evening he went to the kitchen and he made food for Anil. And after eating the food, Anil did not even you can say take a bite of the food, just because it was a horrible food, and Anil you can say threw the food to the street dogs or roaming dogs. Okay. So Anil said to Hari Singh that you can go, you did not even know how to cook food. But Hari Singh was not one of those persons who can go so easily. So he hung around there and he started giving his attractive smile to Anil. And Anil could not stop himself laughing by looking at Hari Singh. So Anil said to Hari Singh that you can go and sleep on the balcony. So that was the scene, you can say horrible food scene. Let's move on to the next scene, which was work with honesty. First of all, I would like to enlighten you with the fact that Hari Singh also had a greed from Anil, that he was not at all educated person. Anil taught Hari Singh how to write his name, and Anil also promised to Hari Singh that Anil would teach Hari Singh the whole sentences, how to add numbers, and he had promised that he would teach him each and every thing. So Hari Singh had a greed of becoming educated. So Hari Singh started working for Anil with honesty. How I am saying that he was working with honesty, because what was he doing is, first thing, he used to make tea. He used to make tea for Anil, and the second thing, he used to go to market and used to buy grocery items. And one more thing, Hari Singh used to save 1 rupee from the grocery item. And Hari Singh also knew the fact that Anil must have known about the fact that how I am saving 1 rupee. So that is how you can say working with honesty, because he did not rob the money of Anil. Now moving on to the bundle of notes. But before moving on to the 6th scene, bundle of notes, I wanted to tell you one more thing, that Anil was a struggling writer. Why I am saying that Anil was a struggling writer? Just because Anil borrows 1 week and lends it to the next week. And when he gets the money, he started living like a rich person. So, bundle of notes. One day, Anil came to the house and there was Hari Singh also. Anil brought a bundle of notes, you can say, and Anil also told Hari Singh that I sold a book to a publisher and got this money. So Anil put the money under the mattress. Yes, you have to remember, under the mattress. Hari Singh saw that Anil put the money under the mattress, and Hari Singh now thinking by himself that he could rob the money of Anil, because Anil already had given him the key of the room to Hari Singh. So whenever he wished, wherever he wished, he could go and come with ease, you can say. So that was all about this part first. We'll have to see in the next part that will Anil be able to rob the money of, will Hari be able to rob the money of Anil, or Even after looting the money of Anil, will Hari come back to Anil? Let us see. We'll see it in the next chapter. Thank you very much. Namaskar.